Hi, my name's Terry, and I came to Dr. Pearl because I had severe arthritis and I was scheduled to have knee replacement surgery in one knee. And I had many misgivings about that. And after having visited two other clinics, I came here, and my husband and I both decided that this was by far the best choice for me. And I'm glad I did. And I had 3 PRP shots and 1 A2M. And now I'm about 3.5, 4 months post-procedure, and I find that my mobility is increased, my ability to go up and down stairs is improved. I'm doing more things and gradually getting more steps in my day. I have little to no knee pain, and the muscle aches that I had in my legs is decreasing. My sleep is improved, and I highly recommend it.
Teresa, what were your limitations prior to coming here? What was stopping you? What was the pain?
With me, it was a lot of stiffness in my knees that would prevent me from doing things. And once the stiffness set in, then my knees would start to hurt. So that was really limiting my ability to enjoy life. I used to have to look in parking lots and strategize where I was going to park closest to a store, so that I'd have enough steps in me to get in the store and do what I needed to do and get back out. Now I'm looking to see how far away I can get and try to get more steps. In general, I think I have more energy to do things as well.